Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever tried to move a window, but it automatically maximizes when you drag it to the top of the screen? This feature is called Snap Windows, and while it's helpful for multitasking, some users find it annoying. In this video, I'll show you how to disable this behavior in Windows 11. First, click the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, select System from the left pane. Next, click Multitasking. Here, you'll see the Snap Windows option. Simply toggle the Snap Windows switch to off. That's it. Windows will no longer automatically maximize when you drag a window to the top of the screen. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.